Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you use Temu gift card. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Temu, log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, so if you have a gift card, a Temu gift card, and you want to use it, so how do you do that? It's pretty easy. So just go through, complete your purchase. So just go for any purchase that you want to make a purchase. I mean, select an item that you want to make a purchase. For example, let me choose something. So probably I will choose. What can I choose here? Let me see. Okay, so probably yep, this one here. I'll just choose this pram here, this stroller. All right, that's fine. So I'll add it to my cart. So I'm adding it to my cart, and then that's it. Add to cart. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to proceed to checkout. So click on checkout. So now here, I'm on my checkout here. So what I'm going to do now here, if I'm going to pay with my gift card, so I've got my gift card, I'm going to use it. So what you have to do is you're going to choose this card option here. So simply like how you're going to how you're going to make a purchase with your debit or credit card, the same way as this. It's the same way. So choose card, and then here what you have to do is just plug in your Temu gift card number and the expiration date details and all those information. So plug in your card details here and then submit the order. And if your card is valid and you have sufficient funds to cover up your purchase, then your order will be processed using your gift card. So that's how you use the gift card. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.